Hello and welcome back to another WordPress tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can create a custom box widget for the back end of your dashboard. And to be more specific, we're going to be creating a box which would be going here. So can you see we're going to be creating one of these right here, but with your own information in it. Now, the great thing about this is that you only need to know a tiny bit of code, but if you don't, I'm going to show you how you can actually put it in, and I'm also going to provide you with the code as well. So whether you're creating this for a client or for yourself, this is how you can do it. First off, we want to download a plugin called Snippets. So head over to your plugins, add new, and in the search plugins, type in Snippets. And you can see you've now got code snippets here. You want to install that and activate it. Snippets is a plugin which will allow you to quickly enter PHP code. Now again, you don't need to know PHP. Because I'm going to provide you with the code that you need in order to add it. Once it's installed, let's head over to Snippets, add new, and title this whatever you want. I'm going to be pretending it's going to be for videos. So video tutorials. Okay. And now in the descriptions, you'll see a link, and the link will contain this code here. Just download the document and copy the code in it. Now, where it says code in this box, you want to paste it in there. So again, don't be intimidated by this because there's only a few things that you're going to be changing or adding. One of the things is, of course, the title. And the title is this code here. Okay, it'll make more sense, but the overall title, I want it to be website tutorials, I spelled that wrong, tutorials and add-on services or add-ons. Okay, so now that I've done the title, let's go ahead and change these options here to only run in administration area. Once you've done that, press save changes and activate. Oh, what's happened here? Well, one of the really good things about this plugin is that if you do break something, it gives you the chance to actually go back and change it without your site breaking. So let's head on back and see what's actually wrong with this. So I'm just inspecting. I actually think it is this here. You want the echo. Don't worry, this will be included in the document. So let's just see if that's changed. There you go, so that's better. So now if we head over to the dashboard, you can see that you've now got a box here and you've got your text goes in here. Let's click on screen options and you can see that it's even clickable here. Okay, so the next step is to actually add information in. Now, if you're not familiar with HTML or even CSS, but predominantly HTML, then we're going to quickly just go over a few key tags which you're going to need in order to put it in there. So first off, let's just say it's just a sentence you want adding in. So a sentence would be open arrow, P, close arrow. And then you want your text, so you put, hello, I'm a P tag. And then you want to do another open arrow, a slash, and then a P with a closing arrow. Now, this P stands for paragraph, and this is all you need in order to add in text. So if we click Save Changes, and now go back to this page, refresh, hello, I'm a P tag. So now you've got that. The next thing or something else that you may want to do, you might want to add in bullet points. So there's two types of bullet points, but for this one, we're just going to go with a numbered bullet point. So to do this, just do enter for a new line, and then you want to do open arrow, OL, and that stands for ordered list, close the arrow, and then another enter, 2 enters like that, and then open arrow slash OL closing arrow. And now you want to put in the actual bullet points, which is going to be open arrow LI close arrow, and then you want to type in your link, which is let's just say download option 1, and then you want to do open arrow slash LI close arrow. Okay, so now if we've done it right, you should have a number list. So let's save changes, head over to our dashboard, refresh, and now you can see download option 1. But you may notice there's a slight issue with this, and that's the download option isn't clickable, and that's because there's no link there at all. So let's do this. So in that li tags that we created, those list tags, just before the first letter of the word, let's open up another arrow, type in a space href equals quotation marks, and then close that arrow. And in between the quotation marks, you want to type in the URL. Now I'm going to type in http://www. and then yourwebsite.com or download link or what's not. Now go to the end of the text that you want to be clickable, and for example, I want that whole text, I want download option 1 to be completely clickable. So after the 1, I'm going to do open arrow slash a closing arrow. So now we've got the URL, which is this, the text, which is going to be clickable, and you've got the numbered list. Let's save changes, head over to the dashboard, refresh, and now you can see that's actually changed color. So you've got download option 1. Now what's going to happen if I click this? It's actually going to take me to whatever site it is, and sometimes that can be a bit inconvenient. So what I want to show you now is how we can click on the link, but it's going to automatically open that link in another tab of your browser. So let's go back to the editor, and where in the link field where the ahref is, you want to, just before the ahref, or can that even be after? I do it before. You can type in target equals quotation space, and now in those quotation marks you want to type in underscore blank, and this will allow you to open up another tab just by clicking on that link. So let's save changes, head over to here, refresh the page, download option 1, let's click it, and voila, it's opened up in a new tab. And that's really how simple it is to add a custom box to your dashboard. If you would like to see another video on how to style some of the elements, maybe make this bit blue or have a blue background with some spacing around it, leave a comment in the description. If you have any issues, or if you like my content, make sure you subscribe, and yeah, thanks for watching.